Nice. All right, she's running still. I know. And it's cool.
So far. You know, I'll tell you though, I think this is going to be a good one to do on a 100-day temperature.
And we'll get some water to cool us down.
Holy cow. Yeah, and this thing's going to go on forever.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, you go. And then...
Oh, wow. Look up.
Oh, I thought it was raining for a second. That's just Kevin. Here's what you should do, Kevin. You should put your feet here, lean back and let go, and just let your backpack do it.
Oh, we're hitting the ladder now.
Look, stop and look back. Go forward. Let go back at me. Just fall.
A lot of guys go.
Oh, yeah. Oh, crap. Yeah, this is where if you didn't have a ladder, you'd
Okay, look up, Brooke. Ladder time. There we go. Wow.
Yeah, honestly, it's been a while since I climbed down a ladder with 30 pounds on my back.
All right. That's a nice ladder. This is where we came from. That was nice. Look at that. This is so gorgeous. Just a few rocks to step over. Sorry boys, I'm taking comments and walking and
We've got all day.
taking pictures.
Yeah, take your time. Callan's just worried we're going to get to the campsite too early, but he's the one running out in front.
I'm not really looking forward to walking through mud. I don't know how long that'll be, but...
Sounds like we're going to have a lot of mud.
All right, we just came out. So that's Wire Pass, right?
Oh, really?
And then now we're exiting. And I'm hydrating. See, more narrows. That's kind of cool. I know, I don't want to slow them down. I don't want to slow you down when I do my pictures. Hey, turn around, I'll get you. Kevin? Beautiful, great. Wait a sec. Now I'm gonna get one going showing how high it is. It's just crazy the height. Okay. Hey, can you take one of me, full body? In the shade, when you're in the shade. So if I stand in the shade here, if you want to go over there where I was, it'll be better. Oh, there. How's that?
There you go.
Cool. Thanks. All right. Whew. And this is not as tight. I don't mind standing in the shade waiting.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, literally a minute from now it opens up and it's real warm.
Oh, yeah. Have a good day.
Good day.
Where you from?
Hey, Callan. One more. Woohoo! Nice soft sand landing. Says we're opening up here pretty soon. I think, isn't this where petroglyphs come when you just as you exit? Here you go, Kev.
Petroglyphs in here, they get washed away.
Majestic view. Holy schmoly. Exiting. Let's see if I can get the. Wow. Ooh. We pick up a fourth. I know, I'm doing all.
I'm gonna climb into that.
Now let's make sure we turn the correct way.
Yeah, that'd be the shit. If we hiked out and went the wrong way after all this buildup and then we didn't get to do what we were supposed to do.
You know, one little
We're only 2
Cliff
miles
bar?
in.
Bite.
Yeah, take a bite. It's good peanut butter in
2
it.
miles in, so
So are they coming from a Buckskin, or are they coming from a short path? The people coming from that side.
They're coming from Buckskin Trailhead, which we drove by it as we were coming in. It's a like
it's
this
still
is,
fresh enough to do it.
according to the map, this is 1.1 miles, and that was like 3 miles.
Mm.
And plus, everybody on the YouTube said it's pretty much open the whole way, so it's not. Looks like it's narrow there, but they say it's not
That's the
like
most
so.
beautiful. What was there? A lizard just went by him.
I think getting out's gonna suck. Oh, look at the little lizard. See that?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, wow, wow. You gotta see the view from here, man. Get in with so there's no sun, and then because saw how they were different with sun and without.
Yeah, I did the ones with. I already did the ones without sun.
Oh, okay.
But I'll take some more.
Good job. Stay one more. I'll take one. Oh, Kevin, you're throwing dirt on me too.
Oh, sorry.
Ah, kids. Holy moly.
Well, I thought it was a harder dirt climb.
All right.
Did you already pop open the crack? Is that what that
No.
smell is?
I had a clip bar.
Eric,
Huh?
turn around and take a picture of what's behind it.
Oh,
Beautiful tool.
I am recording too.
And I don't want your video showing me as I exit this.
Ah, that's what you had in mind.
All right.
Okay, so that way is Buckskin Gulch Trailhead. We're not going that way. We are going this way, the White House Trailhead.
You know what we can do? We can make Kevin carry our phones every once in a while just so that he...
All right.
Yeah.
So, I don't know, I've seen this.